Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable activity history in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. Click on Privacy and Security in the Settings menu. From there, click on Activity History. Toggle the switch to on or off for Store My Activity History on this device. You can also click on Clear to clear the activity history for this account. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.